Hello kids, today learning colors name and shapes name. Kids, this video is important and चलिए kids colors name. This color, blue color. This color, orange color. Kids, this color, purple color. This color, yellow color. Kids, this color, light green color. This color, red color. Kids, shapes drawing and color fill. Black color. Left arrow. Kids, left arrow. Right triangle. Right triangle, kids. Right triangle. Heart. Kids, heart. This shape, L shape. Kids, L shape. This shape, moon. Trapezoid. Kids, trapezoid. Kids, trapezoid. Kids, color fill. This color, left arrow, light green color. Light green color. This color, light green color. This color, blue color. Right triangle. Blue color, right triangle. This color, yellow color. Heart. Heart. Kids, heart. Yellow color. Red color. Kids, red color. This shape, L shape. L shape. Red color, L shape. This color, orange color. Orange color. This shape, moon. Kids, moon. Next color, purple color. Trapezoid. Trapezoid. Kids, purple color. This shape, repeat kids. Left arrow, right triangle, heart, L shape, moon, trapezoid. Thank you kids. Video like and subscribe. Thank you kids.